guys, so wag na nating patagalin pa. Let us call our first Chinoy star, Zoe Stephenson.
Yung song na pinili niya, hindi simpleng kanta. And then, yung mga tips na binibigay namin sa kanya, of course, dynamics. Tsaka kailangan maramdaman mo yung lyrics. Kasi the more na maramdaman mo yung lyrics, the more na mabibigyan mo ng magandang interpretation yung bawat kanta.
Probably just a little more support when you go down, but the high notes are okay, and a little more confidence because look at you, you're statuesque. You have this beauty, you're very effervescent. You should show it to the audience, okay? But very nice.
Now here is our second Chinoy star, Jimmy Choo.
Kung talagang tuloy-tuloy lang yung training niya, may pupuntahan siya, na kailangan andun yung angas ng pagiging singer. Kasi pag nagawa mo yun, mas magiging confident ka.
Bakit di pagbigyan muli ang ating pagmamahalan? Kung mawawala ay di ba't sayang naman? Lumipas nating di na ba kailangan? At kung nagkamali siya, patawanan pagsamuko, tayo na ulitin ang pag-ibig natin. Ngunit ikaw naman
Ang gaganda ng kanta na likha ni Mr. Benny Saturno. Actually, lahat ng kanyang kanta, how do I say that? How do I say this? Dapat hindi gaano palitan ng tono. Kasi maganda yung kanta in itself. So, hindi dapat laging palitan ng tono.
Tama naman observation mo na medyo mataas lang ng, parang natataasan lang ako ng konti. Kung hinaf note mo, you will be more comfortable doing it.
To sing for us this time is our third Chinoy star, Rosandra Zuniga.
Kaya na talaga pag nare-memorize yung lyrics, medyo konti, hindi mo maligay dynamics na tama kasi kinakapama yung lyrics na makapagod. Kailangan po yung singer na nagaling mo. Hindi kailangan, you can create your own style, makapag-establish ka ng sarili mong identity sa artist. Nung naka-first chorus ka na yun, narinig ko na yung kagandahan ng kanta. So, pure na. Pero still, I'm hearing yung pagka-rock mo andun yung attitude mo. Narinig ko na tama naman, bumagay naman yung flavor nung pagkakakanta mo dun sa song na ginawa mo. Kasi yung Sara ng konti, may little R&B na andun pa rin yung pagka-ballad. Kasi si Sara naman din naman talagang R&B singer. But it was a good performance.
For our first batch's last performer, our fourth Chinoy star, Dean Kyle Up.
Naramdaman ko kung paano niya kinanta yung song. So, bawat lines ng song na ibabahagi niya, na ibibigay niya yung message ng tamang-tama sa nakikinig. May mga areas lang na konti, diba? Wala namang performance na 100% na perfectly tuned.
Nais ko ikaw ang lagi yakap-yakap, yakap na
one difference with singing English or Filipino songs with compared to Chinese is what we call the legato. It's singing it like there's just one line. Because it wasn't bad, but you were enunciating each and every syllable, which we do in singing Chinese. But in singing other languages, you should carry that sort of line. It will make it even better.
Ladies and gentlemen, we already witnessed our first 4 Chinoy stars. Later, we'll see the remaining 3 performances when Chinoy Star Ganat, the Magic 7 Performance Gala returns.